Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mouthwash that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Listerine Total Care Anti-Cavity Mouthwash. Listerine is one of the big brands in the dental hygiene industry. They do make toothpaste, but they are best known for their mouthwash. The Listerine Total Care Anti-Cavity Mouthwash isn't aimed at people with bad breath. Instead, it is designed to prevent cavities, strengthen your teeth, and leave your mouth feeling refreshed. It is rich in fluoride, which kills the germs that cause problems in your mouth. It's great value for money at only around $6 for 1 L of mouthwash. That means you're not going to be rushing to the store every week to replace it. In fact, it should provide you around 7 weeks of cleaning, which makes it our best value product on this list. This fluoride mouthwash boldly claims to prevent bad breath, strengthen teeth, help prevent cavities, clean your mouth, and even restore enamel. Moving on at number 4, we have the Closest Original Unflavored Mouthwash for Sensitive Mouths. The Closest Original Unflavored Mouthwash for Sensitive Mouths is another mouthwash approved by the ADA. This one is designed at people that suffer from sensitive teeth and find normal mouthwashes difficult to use because of the burning sensation. It's an alcohol-free mouthwash, which is why it doesn't burn your mouth when you take it. If that isn't enough, it's also sulfate-free, triclosan-free, and gluten-free. They boast that it kills 99.9%, which means it should work effectively against bad breath and other dental hygiene issues. The main difference between this mouthwash and others is that it contains chloralstan, a patented ingredient that kills the sulfur compounds that are the cause of bad breath and also prevents gum disease. You would normally only find these benefits in mouthwash that contains alcohol, which is why this product is so popular. At number 3, we have the Colgate Peroxyl Mouth Sore Rinse. This great-tasting, mild mint mouthwash from Colgate contains Peroxyl, which is highly effective at facilitate healing and prevent infection. It's perfect for use with minor oral irritations, including gum inflammation, oral sores as well as mouth burns. Thanks to a unique oxygenating action, it helps to dislodge and remove oral debris. Used in conjunction with a daily regimen of brushing and flossing, it can provide exceptional results and lead to a much healthier mouth, minimizing inflammation. The alcohol-free formulation is even suitable for patients with sensitive mouths, plus it tastes great too. If you have to wear dentures or orthotic devices and regularly suffer from inflamed gums, then this solution will be perfect for you. At number 2, we have the Phillips Sonicare BreathRx Anti-bacterial Mouth Rinse. Phillips is a huge company, known for its amazing technology and engineering. They have revolutionized the world of toothbrushes and now make other dental hygiene products. The Phillips Sonicare BreathRx Antibacterial Mouth Rinse is a mouthwash that has multiple uses. It eliminates bad odors caused by bacteria in the mouth. It does this by preventing plaque that can lead to gingivitis and sulfur compounds. Plus, it contains zinc that works throughout the day to neutralize VSCs, volatile sulfur compounds. These are the main causes of bad breath, so keeping them at bay is really important. It's also alcohol-free, which stops that burning sensation and doesn't dry your mouth out. This could be the best antibacterial mouthwash on the market, but it's not the cheapest. And finally at number 1, we have the Jason PowerSmile Brightening Peppermint Mouthwash. If you are looking to spend a little more money and get a really high-quality natural mouthwash, then you should definitely consider Jason PowerSmile Brightening Peppermint Mouthwash. It might be a little more expensive than the other products on this list, but this mouthwash has a lot to offer. The company that makes this mouthwash make completely natural products that don't contain any harsh abrasives or chemicals. They also never test on animals and have been pioneering the world of natural health products since 1959. This dental mouthwash doesn't contain any alcohol or saccharin, which means you won't feel any stinging when you put it in your mouth. Plus, it whitens your teeth with calcium ascorbate and freshens the breath with peppermint oil. It uses grapefruit seeds and perilla seed extract to reduce tartar buildup and has traces of aloe vera which soothes irritation. It's a premium natural mouthwash that will leave your mouth feeling fresh and your conscience clean. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.